everybody coming well before on time. Now let's crack on to the final game of the season, saving the relegation. Task took place, we lost the toss, we've been given the bat. So few of them wanted to bowl first, few of them wanted to bat first. Well, while it was written for us, that's happened, we're doing batting now. Obviously boys, first I'll just go through with the playing 11. Sarfraz, I got you on 12th man. Where's Sarfraz?
Yeah.
I got you on 12th man, and I really appreciate your support and coming into the ground. Round the applause for Sarfraz. The rest is playing 11 the same, there is no Zubair in there. Now, from batting point of view now, next 2 hours, there is no rain, there's nothing happening. We need to secure 180 runs. We need to go beyond that 180 runs. So for that opening partnership, then middle order, lower middle order, everybody take this game as a championship final where we do our best, leave the result to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every individual. Sure. We're not trying anything we haven't tried. We always go for it which we tried and worked. That's what we're going to try today in this game too. So let's have a very good game. Batting Kami and Moaz is open. What is called number 3 is we got Moon, yeah, and number 4 is we got on this wicket today is number 4. We will have. Do you want to give your suggestion?
I don't know, but
I'd say two steady and then 2 hitters, so the 4th has to be a hitter.
if you want to go with the last, then I think I was number 5, and then obviously we can use Zaid as well.
Right,
So
okay.
Zaid and Shazad.
So, yeah. So number 4 is then we got Bilal in today.
Yeah, but,
Yeah. Take, number 4 is Bilal. Number 5 is Shoaib. Number 6 is Bilal. Sorry, Zaid. So that's the top 6 betting order is 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 is me, Rizwan, Raziullah, Shazi, and Inam. So that's all it is. But those 5 we will change about. These first we will stick with it, and let's see how it goes. Now in terms of batting, it's 40-over game, not 45-over game. We're going to go for the full 40 overs, and we're going to play through the overs. So we're not doing rushing, we get out, or I came on number late, so I just want to give my wicket away. Yeah, whichever position, anybody going, you take your time and you play the game. You play 40 overs, you will have a good total, and you will take their bowling point as well. Because if they manage to take only, I want to give them less bowling point, to be honest. As less as I can. Because if rain affected, we still on the upper side. If the match goes into that way, so we basically haven't given them bowling point. So we only down for 6 or 7 and we made the runs and played the full over. So you got 40 overs to play, whoever is going to play. Final game of this Sunday, Kaidiism Premier Cricket League. Tabs versus Bradford Moor. Tabs lost the toss. Bradford Moor elected to bowl first. Tabs batsman is on the crease. Umpires on the square, waiting for the Bradford Moor to be there. It is already 12:43. Game starting about 15 minutes late. In Jeeden, the ground it's a good facility, decent facility, Bradford League ground, where it is in LS19 actually. This ground name is Green Lane Cricket Club.
First ball of innings. Kami is going to play. Wow, what a good ball. Beautiful cover drive by Kamran. It should be a 4 runs. What a beautiful boundary. First boundary of the first hour. Beautiful. Well played by Kame. Well played. Oh, very good ball. And Well played. देखो मोचा बॉलर दी लाइन ही खराब कर देनी ऐसे ही पिच हो गया ना सर
It is end of 2 overs, 4 runs on the board. 38 overs more to come. It's 40 over game. Tubbs CC is batting first. I would like to say thank you very much to Tahir Qazi and Sarfraz, Mohammad Sarfraz, who came into the ground to support the team. Third over of the inning. Moz got out on first slip in third over of the game. Next batsman is Abdurrahman. Moon gonna face his first ball. Away from Moon. Got squared up.
Taps won the toss, decided to bat pass inside edge, going for the boundary. Fielders after the ball, should be a 1 and second run easily. Good running between the wicket. Kami and Moon. White ball, leg by, good running between the wickets. 2 runs. Well played, Shoaib big. Both lefty. Well played with a setup defense by Shoaib big. What a ball! Good connect, bat and pat. Beautiful drive, misfield. Nice and easy, quick 1 run. Good running between the wickets. Over now.
2 of the Bradford more players. This gentleman and down there the guy who shake hand just arrived now, which is 10 past 1. We've been told that the half an hour is from the first ball being bowled. However, the game being delayed.
Misfield, nice and easy single run. Oh. Well played. Yeah. Well played, misfield. Should be a 4 runs, no chance. It's okay, save your leg, boys. 4 run. 4 runs. Well played. Yes. Well played. ये देखे बोल साहब वापस ले आ गया beautiful shot should be a 4 run
push.
save your leg guys save your legs 4 runs okay मौज है करते
मामा बनता है मुझे वो एक भी कहता है यार तो मुझे शॉट लगती मेरे एक बैट से तो वो तब लगती था इसके बैट में बिल्कुल निकल करना
Zaid Khan, the new batsman from Taps. So 4 wicket down. Taps won the toss, decided to bat first. Zaid Khan facing to Bradford more. Zaid Khan. Oh, just beat. Beautiful shot. Safe boundary. Just nice and easy, comfortable 1 run. Good running between the wickets by Taps.
ठीक है ये ऐसा नहीं खेलने वाला
नहीं इस तरह ही बॉल शुड भी
हम थोड़ा डिफेंसिव चलेंगे थोड़ा अटैक करते हैं ना इन पे
ये ऐसे ही खेलना पड़ता है बाहर निकल के
अटैक करते हैं ना तो थोड़ा
टॉप एंड निकल के बाउंड्री इसी तरह होगी
लाल भाई कह रहे हैं 2 ओवर रुक जाओ मैं कहा अच्छा ठीक है 2 ओवर रुक जाते हैं
बॉक्स के अंदर रहने बॉल पे
ऐ काम नहीं करना ना स्लिपी बंदा खड़ा है यू डोंट
उसकी पेस है इसकी स्विंग
हाँ ये स्विंग कर रहा था
बॉय गोल लेफ्ट
कितने पॉइंट आ गए हैं देखो वो है सारी 6 पॉइंट आ गए
well played
हम सारे किट पहन के आए हैं मुझे पता है मैंने बॉलिंग करनी है बैटिंग कर
हाँ वही ना इट्स ओके
4 runs के लिए fielders there just not
प्लस कर लिया आवाज आए कि यार बड़ा कर लिया ले आओ जो आगे थे मैं पहले लगूंगा तो बोलो आउट ना ये भाई
well played
और अच्छे
well played boy cover that pitch. Have it zero. This is cricket traffic line. Also violet.